Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar visited his home constituency, Kanakapura, for the first time after becoming CM as part of a gratitude tour, receiving a strong public welcome. He visited around 20 locations including Doddalahalli, his native village, and also visited several temples. Earlier, he travelled by Namma Metro from Vidhana Soudha to Silk Institute before heading to Kanakapura. During his visit, Shivakumar said his door is open to the JDS and urged the party to make use of the opportunity. He referred to past political alliances, stating that Congress had supported JDS leader Anita Kumaraswamy in the 2018 by-polls in Ramanagara and had earlier supported HD Kumaraswamy to keep the BJP away. He said he would not dwell on the past and reiterated that the doors remain open. He also highlighted the 2018 Congress-JDS alliance, which later collapsed, after which JDS aligned with the BJP. He noted that both parties share a strong Vokkaliga voter base. Amid chants of DK, he said he was visiting to thank the people who supported him for 40 years and thanked the voters of Kanakapura for electing him 8 times. He stated that within Kanakapura, he sees himself not as Chief Minister but as a servant of the people. Shivakumar announced plans to set up a medical college in Kanakapura Taluk and said locals would not need to travel to Bengaluru for healthcare. He stressed reducing migration to Bengaluru and improving local access to health, education and housing. He also said private companies in Doddalahalli would be directed to prioritize local candidates in recruitment, but advised workers not to form unions or go on strikes after employment. He urged people not to leave agriculture or sell lands, noting that land prices had increased after Ramanagara was renamed Bengaluru South District. He added that criticism from BJP and JDS over the renaming would fade over time. He said an offer would be appointed to address constituency grievances and asked citizens to prepare for the upcoming special intensive revision. On his leadership, he acknowledged a delay in becoming CM but said Siddaramaiah fulfilled the party decision by stepping down. He added that both leaders would work together for the 2028 assembly elections to return Congress to power in Karnataka. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.